Now cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the fluid between plasma membrane and nucleus. Cytoplasm क्या है? एक fluid है जो कि see in this diagram. साइटोप्लाज्म जो है प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन और न्यूक्लियस के बीच में जो कुछ भी सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स एम्बेडेड है, दे आर देयर इन द साइटोप्लाज्म. सो साइटोप्लाज्म इज द फ्लूइड which is there in between the nucleus and plasma membrane. Now it is a moving sticky substance. Moving, वो अपने आप में सेल में मूव कर रहा है, and sticky. Many cell organelles are suspended in cytoplasm. अब कौन से cell organelles we have seen that nucleus, then Golgi complex, then vacuole, then endoplasmic reticulum, then mitochondria, then various क्या बोलेंगे हम plastids. All these cell organelles are embedded in the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the medium for cellular chemical reaction. अब chemical reaction कौन से हो रहे हैं? Respiration, है ना, photosynthesis. All these chemical reactions are done in this cytoplasm. The part of the cytoplasm other than cell organelles is called cytosol. अब cell organelles है लेकिन उसके अलावा जो कोई भी liquid thing है, fluid है, that is called as cytosol. Cytosol store vital substances like amino acid, glucose, vitamins. All these substances are there in the cytosol. In animal cell, cytoplasm is more granular and dense, while in plant cell it is thin and mostly pushed towards the periphery due to larger central vacuole. Now see, in the plant cell, again see the difference. In plant cell, vacuole is bigger one. So the cell organelles are very thin, and in animal cell vacuole is very small, so cell organelles are very dense and granular. So cell organelles in plant cell are very thin and it is thick in animal cell. Now cell organelles, just we have discussed about cell organelles. So an organelle is a specialized subunit having specific function within the cell. Every cell organelle has own function. Nucleus has its own functions. Mitochondria has its own function. So every cell organelle has its own function. They are called as organs of the cell. जैसे नाक का अलग काम है, कान का अलग काम है, आँख का अलग काम है, टंग का अलग काम है ना? वैसे सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स भी जितने भी है सेल में, उन सब के काम अलग अलग है. So each organelle has its own lipoprotein membrane. Lipoprotein, it is a kind of membrane, lipid and protein membrane. Except nucleus and chloroplast, all other organelles can be seen only with electron microscope. अब भी थोड़ी देर पहले हमने देखा था कि सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स जो है वो हमको देखने के लिए इलेक्ट्रॉन माइक्रोस्कोप चाहिए. देन ओनली वी कैन ऑब्जर्व द सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स. In compound microscope only nucleus is seen, but to observe other cell organelles just like vacuole, mitochondria, plasma membrane, cytoplasm, Golgi body, vacuole, chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum, all these cell organelles can be seen in electron microscope only.